Hey guys, I'm Ozzy, welcome back to my studio. I'm super excited to have you guys here today because I have a fun little video planned for you guys. I just got a package in the mail from scrapbookpal.com. I got some Copic refills from their website for super cheap, so I'm going to be doing a little unboxing or a little unpackaging and haul video and refilling some of my old Copics, and then tell you guys a little bit about my experience purchasing from scrapbookpal.com. Without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so this is the package I just received. Nice and secure, so I'm going to open this and see what's inside. So, I mentioned before I got these from scrapbookpal.com, making crafting affordable. Making crafting affordable, I can definitely agree with. So this is basically my receipt. Sorry for the glitziness of the redactions here. I got 6 Copic refills. On the Copic website, these go for like $8.30 or $8.60, something like that. I got each one of these for $4.55 a piece. That's dirt cheap. You won't find those kind of prices anywhere else, at least not in my experience. I haven't found them for cheaper anywhere. At the time, I'm pretty sure this is still going on. They were doing free shipping on orders over $25. So with these 6 refills, that all added up to be $27.30 a piece. There was no tax and no shipping cost because it was over $25. So I got all of this and it was shipped to me within a few days for less than $30, and that is insane. I've had Copics for 3 or 4 years, I think. These are all colors from the original set of 24 Copics that I got. This was the first color that I ran out of, and I've just been out of this color for years now because I used it so much and I just couldn't afford to get the refills. But now I can afford to get a few refills at a time. I can totally fill in my collection. I can add to my Copic collection and get refills for super cheap on this scrapbookpal.com. So I'm going to refill a few of these beautiful Copics. Alright, so I think the first marker I want to refill is this one. This is the B00 Frost Blue. This has been out of ink for years now because I used it so much. It's not that it went out of ink really quickly, it's that I just used it an incredible amount and I didn't have a huge selection of Copics. So this was one of the few colors that blended with a lot of different colors. It blended with the purples pretty well, the blues obviously, and the greens. Whenever you're refilling a Copic, it's best to refill if you're not injecting the ink directly into the barrel itself. If you're just doing the drip method, then it's best to have a piece of scrap paper underneath to catch any drippings, and then you also want to refill on the chisel end because it's wider. According to the Copic website, you need around 20 to 30 drops of the Various Inks refill to fill up a marker. So I'm gonna start off with around 15, see where that gets us. I think for those of you watching, this is a good lesson. But the best way to refill a Copic is not super fast. Also, I'd recommend having some baby wipes always on hand in your art studio. It's just good practice. I'm gonna put this in a container with my Copic refills with the brush side down just to get the ink kind of flowing down in that direction, and then we'll see how dry it is after that. But in the meantime, let's fill up some of our other colors. Next with the BV02 in Prune. This is definitely a favorite color of mine. It's really great for shadows because it's not super dark. Our next purple color is V17 Amethyst. I use this color a lot too because it's purple, and purple's my favorite. One way to tell when your Copic is in need of a refill is that there's going to be some paleness in the brush tip. There's going to be some discoloration there because there's not enough ink to flow to it. When you're refilling, you're supposed to open both sides. I forgot about that. So that you don't accidentally trap air inside of your marker. Basically, at this point, all of my Copic Sketch Markers are in desperate need of refills. I didn't want to spend just too much because I wasn't sure of the quality and everything. Now I'm assured that this is very much a legitimate company, and they just sell Copic products for really cheap, which is awesome. My experience with Scrapbook Pal has been amazing. This is the first time I've ever used them, first time I discovered they existed, and they're just awesome. They have the cheapest Copic products of anywhere I've seen, incredibly fast shipping. They have a lot of deals going on all the time too. Free shipping over $25. When I bought these, they had a promotional giveaway where when you ordered something, you were automatically entered to win a 36-piece Copic set. They are cheaper, but they do have a smaller selection than other places that might be more expensive. They obviously don't have all the same products that the Copic website that sells all their products has, but at least for the refills, I can guarantee you they're definitely cheaper, and they have a pretty wide selection of these. Right now, their sketch markers are around the same price, if not exactly the same price, as the Copic official website, but you also get free shipping, so that can cut down on costs if you order more than $25 worth of stuff. So there's a lot of things to consider, but overall, I would absolutely highly recommend this place. So go check them out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this unboxing and refilling video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, keep on creating. Bye.